Yo, what's up, boys? Welcome back to another video. And today, wait, no, editor, cut that out. Guys, if you guys did not know, in the last part, I went up against a monster and I survived. So today, the president has invited me onto his private jet so we can, discuss the problem. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Yeah, guys, so the president invited me so we can talk about the monster and stuff. Alright, guys, so we're in, and Pilot Kelly says, "Hello, everyone. Welcome back. My name is Kelly. I will be your pilot in this flight." Alright. As you can probably tell, this is not a regular plane. Yeah, this is a private jet for the president. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome you to the 991 presidential aircraft. Yay! You heard right. The president would like to celebrate personally with you guys. You saved an airplane last time. You mean I saved it? I saved the world. Yeah, I did. We still don't understand how the captain lost control at that time. Well, basically, anyways, you saved the day, and that is the reason you're here. Yeah, guys, yeah, so the captain, so the monster knocked out killed the captain. Alright, enough chatting. Please, find the seat that has a golden label with your name on it. Already found mine. And as we are able to cross an area of high turbulence. Alright. Whoa! Did we just do a barrel roll? Yeah, did we just do a barrel roll? Thank you for your cooperation. I have been informed that the president agent is waiting for you in the next room. Alright, let's go. Please find him there for further instructions. Okay. Hello. Yo, what is going on over there? Yo, why is the agent kind of sus? What if this agent's not an agent? What if he's the monster in disguise? And remember, no one should know about this. Yep. I feel... Did anyone else just see that? Yeah. I saw that I feel like the agent is a monster. Welcome to the presidential airplane. Hold on. And congrats for what you've done. Your country is grateful. Follow me to the next room. I'll give you some instructions. Oh, hello, stop jumping. Okay. Alright. President is getting ready. He will meet you in the dining room in a couple of minutes. Alright, but there is something you must know. Before that, what is it? The president is very special. He gets mad very easily. Please, do everything we say and do not cause any kind of trouble in the airplane. That's all. President should be almost ready. Why don't you grab yourself a glass of water while we wait? Alright. Oh no. I'm so sorry. Alright, gotta go grab the broom. Look at this mess. Come on, let me grab the brooms. Alright, hold on. I got this. If I can grab these brooms. Don't block me. Please don't block me. I got 30 seconds to clean all this up. Yo, that is not fair. Okay, 1, 3, 4, 5. Come on. 16. Boom! I did it! Great, it's clean. Please do not let that happen again. Don't worry, it will not happen again. President is ready now. Please follow me to the dining room. Is this the way to the dining room? Oh wait, it's teleporting us. Oh my god, bro is mad. I'll sit right here. Sir, I'll sit here. I'll sit right here. Build that brick wall. What brick wall? What? Wait, what? Exactly. I'm sorry. It's a habit. Oh. Anyways, welcome to my airplane. My name is Ronald, the president of the Robloxia states. So like Ronald McDonald? You must know you are heroes for this nation. I know. You mean I am a hero because it was just me. We have a delicious meal prepared for the special moment. Oh, sorry, Shun. Sorry to interrupt, Mr. President. Interrupt you, Mr. President. The food is not ready yet. I believe the chef messed up. What? Throw that chef off this plane. Wait, but food. We'll take care of it, Mr. President. Arav, you look like a great chef. I mean, my mom has been teaching me how to cook. My mom did teach me how to cook. But Mr. President, I've never cooked before. What do you mean? My mom taught me how to cook, so I'd be able to cook. My mom already taught me, so I think this will be easy. Come on. Please, if it's okay, what do I need? What do I need? All the gaming videos? I will tell you what the ingredients, and you have to find them and drop them into the soup pot before time runs out. Okay. Hello. You grab the wrong ingredient, throw it in the trash can. But be quick. Are you ready? Yes, sir. I am. I'm the cook. Alright. Soup needs fish. Okay. Soup needs grapes. Alright. Hello? The soup needs cabbage. Soup needs apple. Alright, there's the apple. Soup needs eggs. Alright, here's an egg. Food is ready! See? My mom taught me how to cook really well. I just need a 5-star gourmet meal. My mom cooks just like Gordon Ramsay. Looks delicious. You're welcome, Ronald. I can't wait to dig into my awesome meal. Looks so good. I could just lick it off my screen. Enjoy. Bet. Hello. This food is really good. Yummy. Where'd the president go? We hope you enjoyed the soup. President had to leave early. We should be meeting you again at the presidential suite. We should be meeting you again at the presidential suite. Please follow the path to the computer room. Ooh, I got computer room? I can record videos on there. Come on, what path? What path? Oh wait, there it is. Welcome to the computer room. Okay. Use this room to protect any cybernetic attack to our systems. The president is waiting in the presidential suite. In order to protect the president, we created a secret code that unlocks the door. Now you must try to figure out the code. Good luck, hackers. Also, we're hacking. I do not like hacking because I thought we were gonna play Roblox Rivals. What am I supposed to do? What do you mean code? What code? Oh, maybe I have to do red. I'm confused. Red. Do I have to recreate it? So, what is this code? You have to do it. Oh wait, maybe backwards. I don't know what this is. This way I'm just doing stuff. Yo, what is this? Low? Oh, I figured it out. I'm smart. Whoa, we really need to work on that code. You need the president in the next room. Alright. Hello there, Mr. President. Hello there. Mr. President. Hello again. Sorry I had to leave early. I had to get everything ready. Yeah. Anyways, as our very special guests, I will let you sleep in my presidential bedroom. Hey, let's go. For some reason I can't find the keys. Can you look for them? They should be around this room. Okay. Oh, I found them. Great. Let's open this door then. Yay. Right now, this is where you will be spending the night. I get a whole bed to myself. Yo, this is gonna be fire. I'll give you guys time to get comfy. Yo, W President. At first I thought he was mean, but he's actually a really cool guy. I feel like, but the agents is giving me really, really weird vibes. Like, there's something up with this agent. Because I can't put my finger on what. It's nighttime already. I can't sleep. There's something about this flight that scares me. Guys? Curtain. Wait a second, the curtain was closed. What? Now it's open. Hold on. Hold on. Wait. Wait, it's the monster. Oh no, it's a monster. Get down. No. What's the monster doing here? Did you forget about me so early? Nuh-uh. I did not forget about you. Whoa, 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 whoa. Fire! Oh, nah. Oh, nah. Parkour. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. I'm running full sprint. Full sprint. All right, that way. And that way. Okay. Storage. Yes. And I'm safe. I'm safe up here. Oh my God. All right. Are we safe now? Yeah, we are safe, Arav. Arav, we are safe. The floor. Get on something high, quick. 2 steps ahead of you. It's getting really close. Oh, no. Oh. Wait. It didn't hit us. We survived. Fire is gone. What is happening? Yeah, wouldn't everything be burned down or something? Oh, the phone! Hello? Hello, hello, hello? There you go. Hello? Who's there? Hey guys, I'm glad you picked up. Hello, Pilot Kelly. Something terrible is happening on its plane. You don't say. Can't tell you much through the phone. I need you guys to come to the pilot cabin. The problem is the door is locked. Just give me a minute while I try to unlock it. Get closer while I do that, but be careful. The monster might still be around. Alright guys, so we are going to the pilot room. So, you will not escape this time. Oh yeah, I'll aura farm on you. Oh no. Don't let him catch you. Wait, where's the monster? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Wait, when did bro learn to jump? Whoa, 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 whoa. Now I'm running this way. This way through the dining hall. Juked. Ow, okay, no, that was bad. I lost a little bit of health. No. Okay. I'm running. Oh! Alright, I guess about time to start heading. I'm heading down. Doors open. Get in! I'm coming, Pilot Kelly. Woo! We made it. And we're still good. Great, everyone is here. What is going on? That's what I want to know. We saw that monster again. Did he follow us here? It didn't follow. It didn't follow you here. It made you come here again. I knew there was something wrong with here. Good news is, I'm not just a pilot. Then what are you? I'm also a secret agent, and I know a lot about this monster. Really, tell me everything you know about her. He once used to be a human, but then he had no friends. As a matter of fact, no one ever liked him. I mean, I can see why. And there's something about planes. He was always so obsessed with planes. I'd like to read news about plane crashes. Alright, the pilots only had one chance. Discover him and kill him. Okay, well, so, who is taking the shot? I will take the shot. I will do it. I will slime out either the president or the agent. Those are like my top two suspects. The president or that secret agent. Those are my top two suspects. But there you are. Being looking for you. It's over. We discovered you, monster. Wait. Put that gun down. What are you doing? We know about the plane to kill us. We know one of you is the monster. You're making a huge mistake. You know what? This is a really tough decision. Let me think. The president hasn't really done anything. All he did was just make us cook. But the agent, he suggested to make us cook because he thought we would mess up. He tried everything to sabotage us. The agent. I'm shooting the agent. I shot the agent. I shot him. I shot the agent. Ah! What is that? Mr. President, get down. It's the monster. Mr. President. It has been haunting us since the first trip. I killed it. It tried to take advantage of this trip. To kill me. To kill me. That is crazy. Thank you for saving my life. Hey, you're welcome, Mr. President. Congratulations, passengers. You saved the day once again. And just like that, we slimed out the monster. We slimed him out. That was so scary. Let's go home. At least it's finally gone now. Right? It's finally gone. Yes! We did it! We killed the monster. Well, guys, we're going to end the video here. So if you guys have, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And comment down below. And if you're new, and comment down below what I should do next. Bye, guys.